The right to fair trial is the one that I talked about in Article 50. So you are then placed in a position where you have a charge that is in contravention of Article 50, and you're being asked to allow a person to plead to those charges. Your Honor, decline that invitation. And Your Honor, I do not want to talk much because before we came here, we were before you again in another matter with the same prosecution team and Mr. Mageto for Honorable Bori. And yesterday we slept very late because we were at the DCA headquarters to deal with an issue of Honorable Mekuchi. And now we went to the other day, then yesterday we were dealing with the Bridgit. And no. So that Your Honor, I do not want to tire you because you're also very, very, very stretched.